to hear all the nature words, the whispers of the birds. She is calling for druids, ancient spirits of the land. She is calling for me with an outstretched gentle hand. Mother Nature, please dance with me beneath the ancient tree. Let your rhythm guide my soul, make my spirit whole. Fades away, the sunlight greets the day, the symphony of life begins, washing away all sin.